These are great tools. Now, these are manufactured by BoJo, and we represent them, and we're really happy to do it. And they originally got into making these tools for the aeronautics industry. So people are manufacturing airplanes, and they get some goo on something, they got to get something off a piece of aluminum or a piece of stainless steel. They don't want to scratch it. So this isn't exactly a plastic razor blade, but it is a very tough tool that you can really lock your hand around, and it's like a chisel, but it's made out of plastic, and it's primarily for working in things you don't want to scratch and that you can't hurt. So there's lots of different, I'm just going to move these out. These are all different materials. There's 3 different materials here, and they're stronger and stronger and stronger. They really make great stuff. But also the tips are all different. I'm going to move these out of the way, and I'll show you some of the tips. So this is almost just a chisel tip, and it's about 5/8, 3/4 of an inch wide, and there you go. Now here's almost like a little pry bar, and that's just kind of what it is. But it's also for getting under stuff. You want to get something that has a bolt in it or something, and there's that. Then the angle, and we work with a lot of people who are trying to get a lot of vinyl and signage off vehicles. And this is great because you can really work and slash it as you go. And it's also really sharp on the edge. By the way, people actually sharpen these. They'll either use a wheel or they'll use a file, and they'll sharpen them. And as you can see, this BoJo scraper, this one has a sort of a thinner profile. And because they've got to get in all kinds of little cracks everywhere. And so we've got all kinds of these, and you should look at our Miniscraper.com, and you'll see the BoJo scrapers. We sell them in kits, we sell them individually, and here's a nice big wide one, and they're all great for working on. Look at this one, it's like kind of like a duckbill, I guess you would call it. And that's for getting in somewhere. And they're terrific on your hand. And they're the BoJo scrapers. You find them at Miniscraper.com, M-I-N-I, scraper.com. One word. That's our brand, and we're Coastal Distributors. These are the BoJo scrapers. Thank you.